back for another video. So today's video we're going to jump right into this set. I'm doing a fall set, very beautiful set. I'm so excited. I'm going to just be using a variety of different nail products. So starting off, I've already applied my almond shaped nail tips using the SXC's glue gel, and now I'm going in with this Melanie Susie e-file and just cleaning up around the cuticle area. Just want to make sure I get any of that glue gel that had spilled out. And I do that with all the nails. So now I'm going in with this sanding band bit just to remove the shine off of all the nails as well. I have to say I have been really enjoying using this e-file. I feel like I'm learning a lot using this. I'm glad I got the beginner one and not one that's more marketed towards the advanced nail techs. So I highly recommend this one. So once I'm finished buffing the shine off of all the nails, I do go in with a base coat. I'm using this one from Model 1s. I love this base coat, and I put a layer of that over all of the nails. And then once I'm finished, I do a full 60-second cure. Once I was finished with that, I did go ahead and apply a layer of this gel polish. This is from a cart in the shade Ginger. I love this color for a base nude color. I think it goes really well with my skin tone. So I did a layer of that over the ring and the thumbnail. And then once I was finished, I made sure to clean up around my cuticle area, and I did cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with this brown color. I got this, it's in like a fall set. I got it from Rosalind. I will make sure to leave it down below for you guys. I got it off Amazon. I'm going in with this brown, and I put a layer of that over the pinky nail and the pointer fingernail. And then once I was finished, I did go ahead and cure that. I did end up doing 3 coats altogether in this shade. Now I'm going to go in with this burnt orange shade. This is from the same collection as the brown color. And then I'm going to go in with a layer over the middle fingernail. And I do a 3 coat as well. This color, I really like this color. It's like a jelly orange color. I don't know, it's very pretty. I really like it. I think it's perfect for the fall time as well. So this is after all the nails, the 3 coats on the brown and the orange shade. I only did 1 coat for the nude color. So for those nails, I'm going to be applying these stickers, some glitter, and then some of that gold foil. So I just apply the leaf stickers randomly around the nail. I gravitated more towards like the brown shades or the orange. I think one of them has like a shade of green in it. And then I did the same thing with the thumbnail as well, just adding those stickers, like more of the brown, orange, or yellow. I did like the ones that had like just a faintest color of green. I think it like added a different color to the set, I guess, without it being too much of the green. I don't know. So you do want to make sure that you are pressing down kind of firmly to make sure the stickers are on the nail. And then once I was finished doing that, I did go ahead and apply a base coat. 1 to seal in the sticker, and 2 so I could apply glitters and the foils. You kind of need a sticky surface for that. So I did apply that, and I did a flash cure for like 10-15 seconds. And then I just picked up the foil with my tweezers and just added it right onto the nail. I don't know if there's like a fancy way to add foil. I'm sure I could have used a different tool for that, but I just applied it on, and then I used my finger to press it down into that stickiness on my nail. And then I did the same thing to the thumbnail as well. I think foil and the fall stickers are like the perfect duo. I think they go so well together. And then once I was finished and then I had the foil to how I liked it, I did go in and apply some of this. It's like gold with like hollow glitter, and I just focused that more towards on top of the foil, and then a little bit like in between the stickers, the leaf stickers, but I wanted it to be more towards on top of the foil. And then once I was finished with that, I wanted to see if I think I've done this before, but I encapsulated it using the SXC's glue gel. I used it as like a builder gel to encapsulate these. I didn't want to use polygel because I didn't want the nail to be too thick, and I can't use acrylic, so this was my only option. I mean, I could have just top coated it, but so I just wanted to do it again, I guess. So I just start by putting a very thick amount by the cuticle area, and then I kind of like go from side to side, and then once I feel like it's running out, I grab another glob of that and put it to like the middle of the nail, and then I do the same thing. I go from like side to side, dragging it down, and then if I need more, I'll grab more, and then once I get towards like the tip of the nail, I kind of just drag it down, and then I go back over to the cuticle area, making sure I filled in the whole nail, and then once I get to the tip, I kind of like go along the tip line to make sure that it's all the way up there as well. I know it doesn't make sense. I really hope you can kind of see what I'm doing and get it. I don't know. But it worked amazing. It really encapsulated everything, and even when I went back over just to file it to make sure it was, you know, good, I didn't file anything off. Like none of the stickers or glitters came off. So a mistake I made was I didn't flip the nail over and let the gel like do like gravitate downward, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So it was more bulky on the sides of the nail than in the middle of the nail, and I didn't realize it until after I cured it, I guess. But it's fine because I mean that's how you learn. So I'll know for next time when if I try to do this method again, I'll remember to flip my nail over. The thumbnail came up, you know, pretty good. So yeah, I just remember that for next time. So for the brown nails, which were the pinky and the pointer nail, I'm just applying another layer of base coat on top to those, and then I did another flash cure, and I'm gonna add that gold foil to those nails as well. I just pick it up with my tweezers and just put it on the nail. The only thing that sucked about this is that my AC vent is right over my nail desk, so it was kind of like blowing the foil, but it's not a big deal. So I just applied that and I pressed it down into the sticky base gel. And then once I was finished with that, I did go ahead and add a top coat. And then I did the same thing. Well, I did the same thing to the pinky nail, and then I added a top coat to both nails. So like I said, I added a top coat. I'm using this one from Model 1s as well. I do like this one as well. It's super shiny. It is on the thinner side, but I don't really mind that too much. And I'm going to apply a top coat to my encapsulated nail as well. I do think it was a little foggy, but I think that was because I forgot to buff it out. So it's not too bad. I don't even think you can notice it. But this set, like, I didn't have a plan going in mind. I know what I wanted to use like the stickers and stuff, but I didn't have like I didn't plan it out. And this set like completely surprised me once it was finished. It was way better than any fall set I've ever done. So moving on to the middle fingernail, I'm going to apply a layer of my card's rhinestone gel. The rhinestone gel to the cuticle area, and I pulled out these brown rhinestones that I got from AliExpress a long time ago. I did go over top of that rhinestone gel with a top coat just to smooth it out, and then I apply my rhinestones to the cuticle area. I do like a big one, like I always do, a big one in the middle, and as it goes out they go smaller. And then once I was finished, I cured that. And this is the set, you guys. This is how the set turned out. I think it's like the perfect start to the fall season. I know I'm early, but I'm just ready for fall. I love fall. But if you guys haven't tried Rosalind products, I highly recommend you guys give them a try. They're super affordable and they're beautiful colors, whether it be the gel polish, their poly gel, or any of their other products. I really love them. I will leave everything that I've used down below for you guys. But that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and comment if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.